Earth's rotation, constant or changing? Let's examine the evidence. Scientific data from NASA and the International Earth Rotation Service confirms our planet experiences measurable fluctuations in rotation speed. Since 1972, we've added leap seconds to atomic clocks to compensate for these variations. These changes stem from multiple factors: lunar and solar gravitational pull, internal geophysical processes, and atmospheric dynamics. However, perspective matters. While scientifically measurable, these changes are infinitesimal in human terms. We're talking milliseconds over years. For daily life and most technological applications, Earth's rotation remains effectively constant. The truth lies in the middle. Earth's rotation does change, but at a pace so gradual that only specialized astronomical instruments can detect it. These subtle variations reveal the complex, dynamic nature of our planetary system without impacting our daily experience.